Ki te kore koe mōhio ki te kaukau, me ako koe I naia nei. Koera te whakahau a te kai whakahaere I te taiwhanga kaukau o Rotorua.
Ka tika hoki e kore he mahi pārekareka nui atu I tērā o te tākaro, me te kaukau pēnei I ēnei, kei te roto o kāreka, mō ngā whānau maha, puta noa I te rohe nei.
I think it's very important because we've just got so many beautiful lakes and beaches around New Zealand, and unfortunately, there's quite a few tamariki that just can't swim.
Oh, I think it's really important because otherwise, if they're not confident in the water, then there's chances of them drowning, so we don't want that to happen.
As a big whānau, you think someone else is watching them, but sometimes they're not.
Huri noa anō ki te rohe o Rotorua nei, te kaumā whānoa tike te kaute o ngā roto, a rātua anō hoki te kaute o ngā awawa, a rā he wāhi kauhoi katoa o te tini.
From our point of view, what we're trying to do is make people aware of the dangers before they get into the water, and we think that through doing that and through this education, that we hope that within our community there'll be less injuries, less accidents, less drownings.
Ko Hinerangi Goodman, mo te karere.